Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index. So guys, today I'm back with another strategy for you guys to catch up a spike entry. And I know that if you trade with this, you are going to make a lot of profits. And also guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful video. So guys, today I'm going to explain how you can use this strategy to catch up a spike entry on boom 1000 1 minute time frames. As you can see now, this is our main chart. We have our main chart here, and we have our entry at this particular area. You see that we are going to be checking it out so that you guys can really get what we mean in this video. So we have a moving average. We have three moving average inside our main chart. We have the moving average of 150. We have the moving average of 200, and we have the moving average of 10. We have our moving average of 10, but these two moving average, which was in yellow color, it always shows us the move of the market. Anytime we have these two moving average on a below of a price, it means the market is on the uptrend. You see what happened here? It keep on going on, and anytime we have it on a above level like this, above the price level, it means we have a downtrend market. You see that? So anytime we have it below the market, like what you see here, we are having a uptrend market. And anytime is on above market, we are having a downtrend market. So you are going to be using this as a combination with your strategy here. Let me show you the settings of the strategy so that you can easily set it up on your chart. So for our settings, we have on our main chart the first moving average, the period of 10, shift of zeros, methods to be simple. We have apply to close. We have our level in different color here, which is 80, 90, 10, and 20. And also you might not set any level because it is moving average. So, and also we have the second moving average, which is the period of 150, and we have our shift to be 0, exponential also is set, and we have apply to close, and we have yellow as our color. And also we have the third moving average, which is the 200 period, and we have our shift to be 0. We have our method to be exponential, apply to close. Then you put yellow color also. So I'm just putting the period of 150, the period of 200 to have the same color so that I can really identify the two. But you can also choose different color for them to identify for easy identification. And also on our indicator window 1, we have our average directional movement. We have the period of 1000, and we have our style as this. We have the plus DI, we have the negative DI, and we have our style in white color. You see that? So we have our level here in different level. You see that? Then we press on done. So when you do that, then you go again and add your commodity channel index. We have the period of 200. We have our applied to typical price, and we have our style as this color. So then you press on done. So by doing this now, you will have the same settings I have it, the way I have it here on my chart. Exactly, this is how you will have it here. So guys, let me explain to you how you can use this strategy to catch up a spike entry. Don't forget, in this level now, we have our negative ordering here, and we also have our positive ordering at this upper area. But because of the price currently now, you might not see that. The two was showing here. This is the positive one, and the negative was here, which we have as our red line at this area. So these two is very important. And also this is our commodity channel index. Is also very important for us. So what we are going to be checking every time if we want to catch up a spike is that anytime we are having our commodity channel index, that is in between the negative quadrant and the five level here. It means between this area, between this circle, it means this is the best time for us to enter this entry. You see, anytime you are having your commodity index reaching closer to your what, to your 5 level, to your 10 level, and it was below the negative 100, then this is the right time for you to enter. Like what is happening here now, like currently now we have a chart here, currently now a chart on this. You see that, you see our, it move on this particular area, and when it reach 10 on this level, it give out a spike entry. You see that the first spike, and it keep on what's giving us another entry, another confirmation again. And you will see that this is the area it move closer to the 5 level, and by this area now it keep on giving us a spike entry until we have a full spike to catch. You see, that's the number one thing you need to understand. Or you only need to catch when you are on a negative quadrant. If you want to catch up a spike for long period of time, you see, for long period of time, like what you see here, for long period of time, you only need it to be on a negative on a negative 100, enter your trade, like what we are having at this particular area. Also, you see, this is a positive quadrant at this level. The trade was still below the negative quadrant. If it is still below the negative quadrant, in between the negative and the positive quadrant, it means you still have a higher chance to enter this particular trade. But what you just need to do is to wait for this particular entry to make sure that it reach the 5 level. You see, once it reach the 5 level, then what do you keep on seeing now? You keep on seeing a spike entry that is coming on a big area. You see, same thing also happen here. You see, what happened here is that it's not the market is not respecting the positive ordering this time. It's respecting the negative 100 at this particular time. And what you can see now is that the commodity channel index was moving towards the 5 level, and once it reached the 5 level, what do you see? It bring out a baby spike, and it give us another entry again for another confirmation, which give us a bigger spike. And before you see that, it keep on giving us a spike entry to cash more in the market. So let me show you, let me check some that you need to understand. Okay, yes, we have another confirmation here. You see, this particular area now, this is our negative ordering. It respect that negative ordering, and once it reach the 5 level, it give us a spike entry, and it respect that level. There is a reverse in the market again, and once it reach that particular area, it give us another spike entry. So you can use this strategy to catch up a spike time to time in the market. You see, it works both in positive ordering level, and it also works in negative ordering level. You see that? So what you just need to do is to make sure that you have your 9 on a 50 level, and once you reach your 50 level, then you can easily enter your trade at this particular level. Spike, keep on taking out the spike. You see, guys. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another wonderful video. So guys, you can also like and comment on this video. You can also help us to share it to friends and family, and also you can also join our Telegram group for more updates and mentorship. Thanks.